at all the rest of the year. Well, they just, but they have been known to peck boats and God knows what. I have visions of being falling and being mown down by a sea kayak because the paddle like helmet seemed to work, because being in a more wobbly boat, at least you've got the advantage of going off quicker. So
yeah, you got the speed.
Okay, put it into here. Oh, whoops. Okay, and off you go.
Thank you.
Well done.
So over this way, is it? With the big arrow.
Okay.
Did you enjoy it? Loved it. Good. You masochist.
Thank you.
Is that it?
That's it. It's doodad.
Oh, that was brilliant. Survived. You finished.
Stay on to it.
Okay. Right.
4! Excuse the emergency stop.
Which bit? I'm surprised you can see colour. Thank you.
Oh, you can't leave.
Okay, you have to stop here.
Fantastic course. And a bit of the heavy descent at the end.
Okay, very good. Just put your thing in. Back. Okay. Can't find it. There you go.
Yeah. God, like you got condensed. I thought you got an easy running at the end. That path is really scary coming down there.
The winning team is CT and C. Congratulations to them all. Thank you again for the helpers and the competitors. Have a safe journey home.